If you are still using this boring graph for your presentation, here's a better way to visualize your data in a dynamic graph that captures your audience's attention and makes your message clear. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the process of creating this animated graph from scratch, perfect for making your data come to life. First, from the Home tab, click on Shapes and choose this block arc shape. Click and drag to draw your shape and position it on the bottom edge of your slide and resize it like this. Then right-click on your shape and choose Format Shape. And let's choose a different fill color from the color drop-down. And from the line options, choose No Line. To adjust the width of the arc, you can do so just by dragging this yellow node left or right to make it skinnier or wider. And by dragging it up and down, you can adjust the angle of the arc. Select the shape and by hitting Ctrl plus Shift and drag to copy the arc. Resize and position your shape like this. Repeat the previous steps so that each data point you would like to visualize is represented with an arc. Now let's make sure that our graph is neat, and for that we will use an easy trick. Click on Shapes and choose a rectangle and measure the width of your first arc, and resize the width of the rest of your shapes to match like this. Repeat for the gaps between your shapes. Now you need to create the outline version of your graph. Just select your shapes and hit Ctrl plus G to group and Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Now position them correctly on top of your first version. And to ungroup your shapes, just hit Ctrl plus Shift plus G. Select each one, and from the Shape Format panel on the right, make sure it has no fill, and it has a solid line with the corresponding color. You can click on the Send to Back button from the Shape Format tab to arrange the outline on your slide. Now drag the yellow node up or down to adjust the angle of your arc and repeat for the rest of your shapes. Right-click on your slide and select Duplicate. Go the first slide and rotate each shape downward to out of slide like this. Now for the magic to happen, select your second slide and go to the Transitions tab and apply a morph transition to your slide. Add your title and data information like this. And there you have it, a simple way to create animated graphs in PowerPoint that can really elevate your presentations. Whether you're showcasing sales figures, survey results, or any kind of data, this technique makes your information not just understandable, but memorable. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow PowerPoint tips. Insert thousands of templates inside PowerPoint. Get it now. PPT-Design.com